There's something that many of you have been asking me to review for quite some time. You said it's on another level. You've said it's by far the best for the office. Thanks, Jimmer, nice comment. Well, you're in luck because Sleek Life Design has sent us one. It's called the ONO Roller. We'll be checking out in this video. I'll make sure to put a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. Now let's take a look. Launching in 2017 on Kickstarter, the ONO Roller quadrupled its funding goal, which is really impressive, and I really love Kickstarter projects. What it does is it mimics taking two highlighters in your hand and rolling them around. And let me know in the comments below if you've ever done this holding two highlighters, because I've caught myself doing this many times in the past. Great way to fidget and keep your hands busy while thinking, just something natural to do. And I do want to give them a little bit of bonus points here, is I like logo design and naming, and the ONO of the ONO Roller really looks a lot like the product. Nice job. The ONO Roller is pocket sized and comes in this nice little bag with drawstring, which keeps it protected from any scratches and bumps and things like that. I will say that the thing I don't like about this bag is this silly little tag on the side, so we're gonna remove that right now. The first thing you'll notice when you pick up the ONO Roller is how solid it feels and how heavy it is. This thing comes in at right around 150 grams or 5¼ ounces. It's made of aluminum and has a bead blasted anodized finish, which gives it that matte look on it. This also cleans up pretty nicely when my kids have had their grubby hands on it. It seems to polish up just fine using a wet rag. I will say that you can probably nick it using metal and such, and that's why they have this nice little bag for you. This thing does not feel and look like a chintzy toy at all. It comes in 4 color options, which are black, rose gold, sapphire blue, and silver, which is the one that I have. I think any of these options will look fine in any setting, such as a work environment or school, and I think in a professional environment, it'll look fine as well. So being made of aluminum, how does it feel? And first up, temperature. If this thing sits in an office environment with an ambient temperature, it really quickly warms up to a neutral temperature in your hand and you don't notice the temperature whatsoever. I'm sure if it's in a car that's really cold or really hot, it's gonna take a little bit longer, but that has not been a complaint of mine. The rollers themselves are very smooth and don't slip at all whenever you're rolling on them. There are no burrs or anything to catch your finger. It has bearings on each side, but it's more of a dampened wheel than a rollerblade wheel, meaning if you spin it, it's gonna stop rather quickly than just keep spinning and spinning and spinning. One thing I always make sure to cover when reviewing fidget toys, desk toys, and relaxation toys for an office environment and school environment is the sound that it makes. And this thing is dead quiet. When you're rolling it around in your hand, the only sound it makes is really your fingers rubbing together. If you lightly rub your fingers together, that's basically the sound this thing will make when you're using it. The exception is if you have a lot of rings on your fingers. If you roll it around in your hand with rings in your fingers, it kind of depends on how you hold it. I can sometimes roll it without any sounds, and I can sometimes roll it with a little bit of sound. But it's pretty faint and probably won't annoy people. You could probably use this in a meeting right next to people when we can be next to people again. This thing is extremely quiet. Like I talked about fidgeting with highlighters earlier, that is the primary way to fidget with the ONO Roller. It will naturally go in a rotation along with the fingers, the way they're pointed. You can do it opposite, but it's a little bit more choppy in that direction. That brings me to the size, and the ONO Roller is 3.3 inches by 0.85 inches by 1.75 inches, and it fits fine in my hand, which are, I guess, average size. Typically when I buy men's gloves, I fit right between a medium and a large. I assume that's average. Actually, my t-shirts are always right between a medium and a large, and that's pretty annoying. But back to the size, this may be the one area that you might have an issue with the ONO Roller. If you have giant hands, the one thing you may notice is that the rollers is not the only thing you're touching, and your hands may overlap to the end cap portions. Again, the fit and finish on this thing is great. There are no burrs. There's nothing to really rub against that's gonna cause you any sort of irritation. It's just something to note. And I will say if they make a second version of this, if they could roll off a little bit more where this chamfer is and round that corner, that would help out. If you have small hands, you may find it doesn't naturally roll around quite as easily as those with larger hands. And my kids have used it and they actually seem to still enjoy it, so maybe it's not that big of a deal. For reference, if you take two highlighters and put them together, it is still slightly larger than that, so you can get a bit of a reference if you want to try it out. And I would say that this would be the second thing, I can't do two fingers here, that if they make a new version of this, it would be nice to have a smaller option for those people that want that. There are a couple other ways to use and fidget with the ONO roller, the first of which is to roll it around. You can roll it on your own body and it actually feels pretty good, and you can roll it on a desk. Now, if you have a hard surface desk like this and there are people around, I'd suggest not doing it because you're gonna make sound. It sounds like metal on a hard surface because it's metal on a hard surface. But if you have a desk mat, a leather one, a rubber one, probably not gonna be annoying like this would be. The second way you could do it is to flip it around in your hands, roll it from hand to hand, and that works pretty well and it's actually kind of fun, but the primary method is definitely just holding it in your hand and flipping it around. That's what I do most often. You can also combine it with other fidget toys like thinking putty and use it more like a rolling pin or feed it through the middle. There's probably endless ways to use this thing. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what you think of the ONO roller and what other fidget toys should I be checking out in the future. So is the ONO roller the best fidget toy for the office or school? Or I guess these days, home office and e-learning environment. And I have had a lot of time in my home office lately to try this out, and I definitely do like it as a fidget toy. But is it the best? You'll have to wait and see until I do my next fidget toy tournament to see the results. Some good news, I was just told there's tacos upstairs.